a big 0. Okay. If you want to get some numbers, today is the last day. Otherwise, tomorrow in the morning only I will write 0 in the mark sheet. Okay. See, I'm sharing the. Just wait a minute. I'll show you that mark sheet. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, everyone, I want all of you to mute your microphones. Everyone, come on, quickly. Mute your microphones, everyone. Okay. Now, first of all, the English project. All right? So, this is English language, review and list of nouns and their kinds. Okay? So,
Ma'am?
you have
Ma'am, please.
5 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Have 5 marks for reviews and you have 5 marks for list of nouns. The story that I am talking about is The Greedy Toy Clown.
Ma'am,
Okay?
please you can slide the greedy toy clown.
Yes, The Greedy Toy Clown. Okay? Now, see on the left hand side, I have written all your names. Okay? Then, those who have sent me the review, I have written the marks. I have calculated the marks according to the way you have written the summary, and I have given you the marks. Okay? And your list of nouns. Now, many children, they have written the list of nouns wrong. You have identified all the nouns correctly, but the kind of nouns is wrong. Okay, now how? How the kind of nouns is wrong? See, here in this chapter, toy clown. Toy clown is the name of one particular toy. We have only one toy clown in the whole story. So, toy clown is going to be a proper noun. All right. Then the little girl Anne, she is also going to be a proper noun because everywhere Anne is written, it is written with a capital letter. Do you remember? I told you that all the proper nouns are always beginning with the capital letter. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
and the greedy toy clown. So, toy clown will also be a proper noun. Then, rest all of them I think are going to be, they are all going to be common nouns. Anne is going to be the proper noun. Then one child had written packet of biscuits. So yes, packet is going to be a collective noun. Okay? That is correct. Now some of you have written box of something. Box of matches, yes. So box will not be a collective noun. Okay? Box will be a common noun. All right. So if you have made these mistakes, I have reduced your marks. All right. So try to identify it better in the next story. The next story is the tiger, the Brahmin, and the jackal, right? So you're going to pay
Yes, ma'am.
attention. What are the common nouns? What are the proper? What are the collective nouns?
Right way.
Okay, I want every one of you to 5 out of 5 in the next story.
Ma'am, please slide.
Okay, the summary also.
Ma'am, you can find this literature.
English literature will be having this. See, children, this is your English literature. Okay, English literature. This Thursday and Friday, I will be taking the test of the storytelling session of the greedy toy clown. Okay.
Ma'am, the mark. Yes, ma'am. And the marks of English literature. Ma'am, please tell the word.
They will be afterwards. Okay, I'll give you the marks on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, the children from roll number 1 to roll number 9, they are going to tell the story, the greedy toy clown, in the class, in the communication class. All right. So
Yes, ma'am.
you will be marked then on Thursday. And from roll number 10 to roll number 15, will be telling the story the next day, that is on Friday, this Friday. Okay, so you will be getting the marks this Friday. So prepare the story very nicely. Total marks are 20. Okay. Now first 5 marks are for the content. How you are telling the story to me. Have you covered the whole story or not?
Ma'am, please
Okay.
tell the project.
What beta?
Yes,
what are you asking?
ma'am. Ma'am, please tell the word project.
I have already sent you the project.
Ma'am. Yes,
This
ma'am.
week in English, you have to prepare the story. You will be telling me the story orally. Okay, without book, copy or anything. You will open your camera and then you are going to tell me the story. All right. Then the next is vocabulary. What are the words that you are going to use? Are your sentences in proper, they are made properly or not? Okay. So I am telling you, write the story very nicely in your own words and learn it so that you can tell the story in front of the whole class. Okay. Then 5 marks for your presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Presentation means your body language. How are you standing? How are you sitting? Are you looking at the ceiling when you are telling the story? Or are you looking in the camera? And you don't have to stop. Okay. You have to, you have to narrate the story very nicely, very fluently. If you stop in the middle, your presentation marks will be cut. They will be reduced. Okay. Then time management. You are getting 3 to 5 minutes to tell the story. So for 3 minutes, you have to prepare it very nicely. Okay. And the same way we are going to have the storytelling session of the tiger, the Brahmin and the jackal also. I will tell you when. But for this week, you are going to prepare it very, very nicely. Okay. Now, for your English language, there are some children who haven't sent me the work. Arav, you haven't sent me the review and the list of nouns. Have you read the story from the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, then why haven't you written the review of the story? Everything was written in the project guideline. You had to write the name of the story, the name of the author, the page numbers, how many pages are there in the story. Then the main characters of the story. And then you had to write the summary. What was so difficult? The last date was 21st, right?
हेलो
Hello?
हेलो हाँ मैम गुड आफ्टरनून मैम मैं आराध्या की मॉम बोल रही हूँ
Ma'am, not now. I'm taking a class. Please call me after the class.
ओके
Then Aditi, you also haven't sent me the work. I told you some corrections. Send me the work today itself. Then Arhan, is he here in the class? Aradhya, you haven't sent me the list of nouns. Please send the list of nouns today.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Dhruv is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv, you haven't sent me the review and the list of nouns. If I don't get it today, I will write 0 in all the blank places. Is that clear? Then Samiksha, you haven't sent me the list of nouns. Send it today. And Trivisha is there? No, I think she's absent today also. So children, see your marks. Those who have blank places in front of their names, send me the project today. Today is the last day. After that, I'll give you 0. I'm not going to wait anymore. I have to send these marks to principal ma'am. Okay? Then computer.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Vishwas, I have given you the marks. Then computer. Many children have not sent me the list of guests. You have to make the list of guests on MS Word and you have to send it to me. Okay? Everyone, write the list of guests on the top. Write down friends. Write down the names of your friends. Write down family. Write down the names of all the people who are coming from your family. And in the end, write down the total number of guests is equal to, count all of them and write the total number. Click a picture and send it to me today itself. Now again, Arav hasn't done. Aditi, Arhan, Dhruv, Harshika, Samiksha and Trivisha. You haven't sent me the list. After today, I'm going to give you 0.
Mama, I will send the list today only.
Today itself. Today means today. I have told you. After today, I am going to give everyone a 0. Okay? All right. Now let us come back to our chapter, the birds lesson. All right. So children, I hope everyone has understood what is to be done in the project. Right? Roll number 1 to 9, prepare for storytelling on Thursday, communication class. And roll number 10 to, yes, this Thursday, this is your second week. The work of your second week is storytelling of the first story. Okay? Write the summary properly. You can learn it also. And one more thing, children. You have to tell your name first. You have to introduce yourself. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is, for example, if Aprajita is there. So my name is Aprajita Ghoshal. I am from 4th class. Today, I'm going to tell the story or narrate the story, The Greedy Toy Clown. Written by Enid Blyton. You have to mention the author also. All right, everyone? And after that, you are going to start, okay, there is a toy clown in the story. He was very greedy. He had very nice clothes. And the girl whom he belonged to, the little girl Anne, she was so happy with the toy clown that she gifted him a brooch, glittering brooch. Then you can tell, but the other toys, they did not like him. Why? Because he was very greedy. Okay, he did not share anything with the other toys. And then you can continue the story. Listen, everyone, you'll stand in front of the mirror and you're going to practice it.
Ma'am, we
Okay?
tell the anyone story. You can tell any.
No, you have to tell the greedy toy clown. Okay, you have to tell the same story whose review you have written. All right. Then the next week you are going to read the next story, write the summary and send it to me. Okay, for this week, your work is you have to make a list of which food items, I suppose, no, in maths. You have to make a list of food items calculate the total cost and send it to me. And in English, you have to prepare for the storytelling session of
Ma'am.
not now, Sanjeevni. After the class, I'll check.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I made separate documents for all the list, and I had
Yes,
sent
you have to make separate documents. Okay,
Ma'am.
everyone has to make separate documents. You'll be making 4 files: list of guests, list of food items, list of decorative items, and the total budget. 4 lists you have. Yes, Aprajita.
Ma'am, on which day we have to send the food item list?
Peter, before this Sunday. Any day you can send. You can send today, tomorrow, before Sunday or on Sunday. Okay, whenever you prepare it, it is the work of this week. So you will finish it this week only and you will send it this week.
Tuesday, ma'am.
Okay, any day.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, now let's come to the RTC portion.
I have
I'm
also made a list for return gift.
Okay, so that also you can send.
Okay.
You can send that also, Sanjeevni. That's a very good idea. You can send that. Okay?
What?
He has made a list of return gifts also. When somebody comes with gifts to you, sometimes you give them return gifts also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So she has made a small, she had a little budget left with her. So she has used it for the return gift. Sanjeevni, you can send it. Okay, I'll see it. Now let's come to the RTC portion. Let me see if you have solved it or not. Just a minute. I'm sharing the worksheet with you. Okay. Okay, everyone is able to see the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's coming. Just be patient.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the first question is the most easy question of the whole worksheet. Name the poem and the poet. Every time we do it. So,
छोटे वाली पेंसिल लो बड़ी
very bad. Your microphone is on and you are shouting in the class. Very bad. This is very bad.
move was that
Aradhya, mute yourself, beta. Everyone, please mute yourself. Now we are going to start the class. Vishwas, your microphone is still on. Very bad. Okay. Everyone, switch on your cameras. All right. Now, the first question, rest of the children can write their answers, only the main point. Okay, the name of the poem and the name of the poet. In the chat box, rest of you, I am telling you which child is going to answer the first question. So the first question is going to be answered by Aditya Singh. Aditya, you can open your microphone. You have to name the poem and the poet. Aditya, please open your microphone. Is he not able to listen? Okay, Harshika.
yes, ma'am.
Answer the first question. Who is this? Scribbling so much. Very bad.
Ma'am, Aradhya has written my name.
Radhe, write your own name.
I have not written.
I can see Aradhe. He has written Aradhe Singh Shashwat. Okay, Harshika, the first answer, beta. Name the poem and the poet. Please tell the answer.
The name of the poem is The Bird's Lesson, and the name of the poet is MacDonald.
George MacDonald. Yes. Now, children, the bird's lesson. The T of the, B of bird, and L of lesson will be Small or capital? Harshika, will it be small or capital?
Ma'am, what?
The first letter of the name of the poem. It has to be small or it has to be written in capital?
Ma'am, the capital.
Yes. So it will be written in capital.
Capital.
Please stop scribbling. I do not want to see any scribbling. Okay. And the name George MacDonald, that will also be written in capital. Okay. And children, I hope you can see I have put single quotes. The name of the poem is, and I have put small commas on the top. These are called quotes. So you will write the name of the poem and the name of the poet in single quotes. Okay? Do not forget to put a full stop. Now, the second question is, what made the passers-by look for the bird? Passers-by means the people who are moving around the tree. Okay? So, what is making them look for the bird? What is the bird doing? This question is to be answered by Samiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Samiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the part. Why are the people searching for the bird? What is the bird doing?
Ma'am, the bird was singing the sweetest song on the tree.
Very good. The bird, the little birdie, she was singing the sweetest song that the people had ever heard. And that is why everyone was searching for the bird. Where is that bird who's singing such a sweet song? Very good. Okay, now the C part. Why could nobody see the bird? Everyone was searching for the bird, but the bird was not visible to anyone. You'll get the answer in the third stanza. So, this answer is going to be answered by Shashwat. Yes, Shashwat.
You can send written RTC.
Yes, you can write RTC.
And you can send reader RTC on the group.
Yes, I sent it. Radha, I'll send it. Okay. You can find it on the portal also. After the class, I'll upload it on the portal also. Okay. Yes, Shashwat. Why could nobody see the bird?
Nobody could see the bird because she was very small.
Yes, because the bird was very small. And what was the color of the bird? Shashwat, what was the color of the bird?
Ma'am, brown and white.
Yes, the bird was brown in color. The feathers were brown in color, and the color made her mix with the branches. The branches of the tree were also brown. So the feathers of the bird, they mixed with the branches, and she was hidden from view. Nobody was able to search for her. Okay. So there are two reasons. Nobody could see the bird because the bird was very small and she was of dark brown color. Okay. The G part. Radhe,
Yes, ma'am.
mute. What did Gracie tell her father? Now, Gracie is the little girl. She was walking near the tree with her father. Okay, so what did she tell her father? This answer is going to be answered by Aradhya.
Okay, ma'am.
Aradhya saying,
Yes, ma'am.
The D question, beta. What did Gracie tell her father? You will find the answer in the fourth stanza, page number 56.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Now I can tell.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. $56. Ma'am, D1.
Yes, the D part. You can answer it in your own words also. You have already read the poem, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes. Very good, Sanjeevni. Yes,
Where
Aditi.
can this
You also get it.
birdie be if I could only sing like that? I did sit where folks could see. I
Sit where folks could see.
see.
So what is Gracie telling her father?
Grace is
Explain,
telling the
explain it.
and the telling his father that where can this birdie be?
He's asking her father. It will not be his father, okay? It will be her father. Gracie is a girl. So her father. She's asking her father, where can this birdie be? Where is the bird? But this is asking. The question wants what she's telling. That means the last two lines, right? If I could only sing like that, I would sit where folks could see. Folks means all the people. All right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Me see. Sanjeevni, please try to answer this question, the D part.
And the D part, ma'am, Gracie told her father that if I could only sing like that, I did sit where folks could see.
Yes. You can also quote the line. Yes, Harshika, very good. And it is not I did, it is I would. Okay. I'd sit where folks could see. So, Gracie told her father that if she was able to sing as sweetly as the bird, she would sit where everyone could see her. Okay, because she wants everyone to see her singing the sweet song and praising her. All right, she's a little girl, so she wants everyone to see that how beautifully she can sing. And everyone will be talking about her like they are talking about the bird. Okay, you have to explain the answer in your own words, children. Quoting is good, you can quote, but you should also explain it in one line. All right? Now, the B part is from page number 57. I hope my little girl will learn and all that till the last line. They'll not forget your song. Okay, now children, in RTC, yesterday somebody asked me, ma'am, why do we draw lines? So, we draw a line because we want people to understand that there are more words between the first and the last group of words. Okay? Means
Yes.
we write the starting 2 or 3 words and we write the ending 2 or 3 words and we draw a line so that we don't have to write the whole 3 stanzas. Okay?
Ma'am,
But
see
when
my
you are going to
answer
answer the questions,
in chat.
yes, I have seen better. I have seen your answers. Okay. Now let us come to the A part. I hope everyone is on page number 57 of the book. Okay, Aditi, why don't you answer the A part? Who said these words and to whom?
What?
Answer the A part. Who said these words and to whom?
Gracie's father said to Gracie.
Yes, Gracie's father said these words
To Gracie.
to Gracie. Very good. Now remember, children, G of Gracie will be capital. Okay? Gracie's father said these words to Gracie. Now, the B part. What was the bird's song about? What was she singing about? Aprajita,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the bird singing about?
And the bird was singing about the god.
Very good. The bird was singing about God. She kept on singing from morning to evening. She kept on singing good things about God. Okay, the last question. What lesson did Gracie's father want her to learn from the bird? Now this bird was so small, but she was giving a very good teaching. And Gracie's father wanted Gracie to learn from the bird. So what did he want to learn? What did he want Gracie to learn? Who's going to answer this? Vishwas?
I know the answer, ma'am. Harshka and I Radha also know.
Okay, Aradhya Sholya, you can try.
The lesson Gracie teach to his father that do not cheat anyone.
Yes. We should not cheat anyone. And what else? Yes, Harshika, do you want to add something to the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Gracie's father wanted her a lesson to learn from the bird that she could do great deeds without people knowing about them. She could also learn to be humble like the bird.
Very good. Yes, this is the complete answer. The father, Gracie's father, he wanted Gracie to do all good things in life. And she should not wait for somebody to see the good deeds or to hear about the good deeds. She should do it even when nobody is watching her. Okay. So everyone should be doing good deeds. They should help each other. They should think good about others. It is not necessary that people are watching you, and when people say, okay, you are doing very good, only then you are going to do good things. No, even when nobody is watching you, still you should do good deeds. All right. Now, children, the class is about to be over. Any questions you want to ask about the project?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done fruit item chart. Ma'am, can I send you after the class?
Yes, you can send it to me after the class. Okay, not the class, the class. Okay, you can send it.
List of guests and food items, and I will send it till evening.
Okay, fine. See, just if the week has started, you can start sending also. It is not necessary for you to wait for the last day. Vishwas, I think I have received it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. It is not necessary that you have to keep on waiting till Sunday. No. If you have done the work, you can send it to me and you can message me. Ma'am, this is the second week's work. Okay. Now, I will be sending you the salt worksheet on the portal also and on the group also. Please check your answers before you fare them in the fare copy. All right.
Mama, I've done all the questions in my fair copy.
It's fine, Yarshika. You can just check whether the grammar is correct or not, or if you have, there are sometimes a question has two answer points, right? Maybe you have written one, maybe you have missed the other. So you can check it. If something is missing, you can add it. All right. That is why I send you the answers. It is not so that you can copy it in your fair copy. No. You have to do it on your own and then you have to check it from the notes. All right. So did you enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this
Now
we have to do the story too also.
Yes, you have to do the story too also.
I'm not in
Now,
this class.
yes, Aditi, where are you? I'm not able to see you. Aditi? Okay. Now, join the computer class on time, okay? 1:15, children. All right?
Bye, ma'am.
Everyone?
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Bye,
You can revise the chapter. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.